Hello, my friends. Welcome back. I am popping on today to play along with Christy's Beautiful Life 30 Days of Sketches, round 9, I believe, and we are on day 19. And we have a fab sketch that was created by Daisy Scraps. And let me show it to you, and then I will show you a bit about how I'm going to be doing some tweaking, because, I'll talk about that in a second. Okay, see, it's by Daisy Scraps. So background, big action here, photo here. We've got flowers sticking up, smudgy bits, a moth, probably not mothing, but yeah, so big cluster stuff. I like the really thick, nice looking matting and a title right here. Now, I will be doing some artistic license because if you've been following along, I am doing a dealio where I am using Scraproom kits for days 16 through 30. And their previous kits, I'm on their design team, and I get a bunch of their kits, but I also buy the flavors of the month kits because they're amazeballs. So I have all kinds of goodies and I want to play with them. So I am going to start with this. I have this Bella Boulevard You Are My Sunshine kit. It is amazing and bright and happy and perfect, as Bella Boulevard always happens to be. Now, sorry, I was hand lotioning. So that big bit on the side, I happen to have this word in a cut file that reads sunshine. Let me go like this because you'll see it better like this. I have that. And it's one of these dealios. They're Bella Boulevard cutouts, templates, and instructions. So I think they're awfully cool because you can cut this out and then, I'm shedding. And then pretty much transfer this to whatever pattern paper you like, yada, yada, yada. You have a cut file. So this cool piece that's coming down this way, that I'm going to use that as my cut file. Is it going to be exactly like this sketch? No, but it is inspiring me to use what I have and still get pieces of the sketch on here. So I know I'm going to do that. Now, the tricky thing is I want to use everything because it's adorable and I can't use everything. So I'm going to work through it. I do have a bunch of die cuts. I've got these layered embellishments. I've got these amazing puffies. I've got these enamel bits. So I have lots and lots of fun stuff. I even have 3 gorgeous butterflies, but I may save that for tomorrow's layout. Not quite sure yet. We'll see. So I'm just going to see how it goes. So, and here's my photo. This is my youngest. We were in Dallas in 2018 for sports. And once we were done playing for the day, you run around the city of wherever you're playing and you have a good time. And there's this thing with this giant eyeball. Anywho, so it was amazingly sunny. She actually got fried. She had a sunburn. So sunshine works just fine considering at this time there was snow where we're from. So I have that. Now I do like it against the green. That works beautifully. I'm trying to see. I do have, let's see. I have white cardstock I can put the whole thing against. But I'm thinking of having it pop nicely unless the mixed media bits that do happen to be in our sketch, I could do mixed media smudgy bits behind it. Maybe I'll do that so I actually use the cardstock. I don't use a lot of cardstock. Photo then would not go on top of it because the photo is supposed to go here-ish, but I'm going to put it in the right area. And there should be some kind of mixed media stuff there and there. Great. Now, I feel like I'm running while I am talking about this. So let me just do this white background. I will get the branding strip cut off. It is just Avalanche White Texture Cardstock by Basil. I know I'm going to have that. And I have a number of the pattern papers because, oh, look, another white cardstock. Because I'm super duper lucky, right? So I'm going to do my very best. Let me see what's on the back of this one. To fill in the letters with stuff here first and then just kind of work down the line. I mean, these things are beautiful. So I'm going to fill in my cut file. I got to find some mixed media that will be good and smudgy, and enough of mixed media that the white on the white will still work. So I'm going to do that. Then, oh, but wait. Looking at this paper is called Shine Bright. That would be really cute to do as a border, but this cut file, when I'm looking at it, it's about a 12 by 12. Okay, not gonna do that. I just thought I'd take a look-see. So I'm gonna spend like 3 years filling in the cut file, matting my photo, figuring out what kind of mixed media, and I'll be back in a jiffy. So I went ahead and just started using some of the packaging technique with some Shimmers Vibes and Jenny B Blue, which is a gorgeous color. It's just gorgeous. Hey, and this has nothing to do with this video as things go, but guys, I'm on the Shimmers DT, and if you put my name in the comments, you get a freebie. Okay, that was it. But a very fab color for this product line. And if you look, it's starting to dry. I'm getting some really gorgeous sparkly bits. It's very pretty. So I think I'm only going to come in with the one color of mixed media stuff. I think so. I could, maybe I'll come in with a little bit of a limey green as well. Let me see if I have my little Kermit color. I'll be right back. All right, I have Hermit the Frog. I'm going to come in with a little bit of that as well, just so I have a bit of variation. Now, tons of this will be covered up, as we all know, once I get my cut file on, but thought I'd give it a little tiny bit more interest. And remember the sketch, so much of this is like white space over here, so I'm trying to be good in doing that. Okay, kind of feeling like, do I have anything left on here? Like that will do it for a little bit of the green. Okay, I'm gonna keep playing with this, but I thought I'd show you. Oh, and look, if I put this right here, it is looking ever so pretty. I'm gonna put some foam tape on the back so I can have a little bit of shadow. Okay, let me keep playing. So I have this backed. My mixed media is kind of dry. So I have that, and I matted my photo, it looks like 5 times with a little foam. Now, if I followed the sketch, it goes here, but that would kind of take care of not being able to read the title. And I'm also not gonna have a separate title because that's kind of taken care of. But I might have it read In Dallas, Sunshine in Dallas. Now, there's also like 2 little like photo cornery looking bits that go here, some kind of embellishments here and here. So maybe if I just scoocheroo this a tiny bit, that will take care of that. So I think I feel comfortable now putting my photo down. And then really the rest of this layout is using these gorgeous bits. I am going to, let me show you, let me see. I'm gonna go into these photo corners that I have and see if I can find like 2 massive ones, like how these are super big. Will those work? Not really. I was hoping that they would have the right vibe, but they, well, maybe. I'm gonna see if these work. Although, ooh, this pink might be really, really good and dramatic for that. Anywho, I am going to, although I do like the black and white, I don't know. I'm gonna pick 2. Do I put them here or do I put all 4? Well, Daisy's sketch has 2 things here, so I'm gonna do the same. Let's get the photo down. And then I will get the cut file down, and then I gotta look for some alphas so I can have it read In Dallas right here. And then we can do some decorative bits. So let's see. I am fighting sneezing so hard right now. It wants to sneeze. Squeeze me. Okay, so this is kind of where I have this right now. And remember, I have these goodies. Now I'm using this little bin that I call my Lucky 7 here as well right now to use up different little bits and pieces. So let's see. These might work because they're so light colored. Oh, no, found these. These black and white are gonna be super subtle because I don't need In Dallas to be this big blam. So I kind of like this white on white because I have the white on white with my cut file as well. Okay, I'm going to keep playing. I'll be back in a minute. So as things go, my layout is done and I haven't done a whole lot, but I love it. I ended up going with this bright pink and white stripe because I thought the black was a little bit harsh. Not bad, just a little harsh. So let's see, the bike is a little big. Oh, I like this You Are My Sunshine, but I'm supposed to have stuff here and here, so I can have that sit there. Trying to follow-ish. I mean, I'm already so far off of how this sketch is supposed to look. I need a little something, something to hold up part of this. So if I have it here, I mean, half the time I put stuff in the wrong spot. I just do. You know, when you flip it over, I'm like, well, okay, so I need embellishments here-ish, and then I'll be done. So that works. The You Are My Sunshine, so cute. Look at the little bumblebee, how adorable. Okay, got a little bit of foam I can pop that little guy up on. I always associate honey and bees with my daughter, so that's why I'm like, oh, cute. So cute. She loves honey. When she played sport, she actually would keep a honeybee container in her backpack for energy. So yeah, it's a whole thing. Let's see. And I've got these little pieces, but I want to do a little something. Let's see. I love this little floral, and it's got this acrylic stuff as well. It's so cute. So I'll have that kind of with that. Okay, I have enough tidily bits. I can use that for some layout to come. Let's have a flat piece, maybe. There. Okay, so I think that is cute. Okay, so a little bit haphazard, but cute. Now let's look and see what else we have. Love the little rainbow bits. Let's see if I can get this rainbow up here. That's a cute little guy. And maybe, let's see, am I happy with that? I don't want the pink on the pink. Okay, I like this little butterfly dealio going here. You've got a little leafy bit I can have come out in these puffies. That's cute. Oh, I like this little enamel bit with this little heart to bring in just a bit of that green that we have here and in the background. Let's see, did I see? I see this heart. These are all kind of going pinky red down here. That was not all that intentional. With a chubby little bumblebee. Again, he's so cute. I think he can go here. We can just repeat this little cutie pie. He's adorable. Okay, do I have any other hearts? No. Like the little butterflies. No, no, no. Oh, guys, look at how cute this little heart or this little guy is. See, I don't know if I want another pink one. We have yellow. Oh, let's, how about this nice turquoisey color? There we go. So that built out my cluster there. I've got 1, 2, 3. I've got him. If I had one more little bit down here, I might be, not yellow again. Should I do red? Wait, I have the blue here, so let me bring in the blue and the yellow here. And that may finish this layout. I'm gonna do a couple splatty bits, then I will go ahead and have still shots, but talk about easy peasy, lemon squeezy, and fun. So a couple of splatty bits and then still shots, my friends.